Use your electronics inside the vehicle with the V2L function. Open the cover of the V2L power outlet at the bottom of the rear center seat and plug in your electric device. Blue indicates standby mode. Green means the power supply is normal. Red means that power is not available. Opening the charging door while using indoor V2L will turn off the electricity. Plug into the outdoor power outlet first, then the indoor V2L to use them simultaneously. For safety, do not connect multiple power strips or use electrical heating devices. Activate utility mode to enable long-term use of V2L. Switch to this mode using quick control or in the infotainment system. Or use the voice recognition function. To avoid using up the battery, pay attention to the battery usage limit.
Kia, movement that inspires.